Hi my friend, nice to see you again. This is the coolest move from ZL380A HDD Machine, your professional HDD machine manufacturer. Today, we'd like to introduce our 38-ton HDD machine to you. And here is the machine. This is our 38-ton HDD machine. The model name is ZL380A. The pulling force and pushing forces 38 tons. Today, I will introduce the machine to you from 4 different views. First, we will start from this side of view. Okay, let me show you. This part is the fixed open cap. We have 3 options. The first one is the fixed cap. The second one is fixed closed cap. And we can also have the closed rotatory cap. That is the closed rotatory cap. We can choose this closed rotatory cap in our 38-ton HDD machine as well. Here in our 38 tons HDD machine, we use a unique design for the frame. This part is lower than other parts of the machine, so we can have a good view at the seat. We have a good view. Okay, here are the doors for the parts, including hydraulic pump and also for the engine. Here is high-speed hydraulic pump inside. US Cummins engine this side. Big Cummins engine of 153 kilowatts. And best high-speed hydraulic pump from US Perco. Okay, my friend, so let's introduce the machine from the front view. First, what we see is this double flow device, which has the function of protect the rod. These are the hydraulic cylinders and the ground washer. And here is the fixed open cap. Here are the 4 hydraulic joysticks. To make sure acute operation, we use a friction positioning joystick. Let me show you more. First, from this side of view, because of this low position design, the lower position, we can have a very good review. When we operate the machine, we can see this is below our shoulders, so we have a good review at both sides of my hands. All the meters and all the joysticks are well laid out. And your seat is a sofa. So we have very convenient and comfortable operation. So this is the front side of our 38 tons HDD machine. Next, let's move to another side. Okay, my friends, now let me show you the machine from this side. This is the overall, so let me show you the parts by details. This is the rotatory robot arm. It is much more convenient than normal semi-auto loader. The motor we use is the Eaton motor. This is the boom. For our boom, we use better material. We use much thicker boom, thicker than other brands. and our surface after special treatment. The surface of our boom is more even. The pull and pull system we use is the rack and pinion. Here is the strong rack. Joystick for boom. For our 38 tons machine, while the motors we use are original imported high-speed piston motors. Not only high-speed, but high-speed piston motors. Not only high-speed piston motors, but literally original imported. Brand high-speed piston motor. No other company in China use this kind of motor. This imported high-speed motor for the 38-ton HDD machine. Look how big motors are. From the brand, original Italy. And here are the rotation motors. The rotation speed can reach up to 150 rounds per minute. And here are the pull and push motors. The pull and push force can reach 38 tons. And here are preserved motors positioned for reinforcement. So that's to say for these 38 tons, we can reinforce to 76 tons. Just need to add two motors here. And adjust the hydraulic system and other parts. So we can get the reinforced 76 tons pulling force. How shining our ZL380A 38 tons HDDs. And here are the legs, main power switch. Also the steel track with rubber pad and hose. So this is our 38 tons machine. From this side of view, let me show you the machine from the back side. Okay, my friend, let me show you our machine from this side of view. For the back side, the main part of the machine we see is the slurry pump. Here is the slurry pump. For the 38 tons HDD machine, we use 350 liter slurry pump. For our slurry pump, we choose the enamel liner type. This pump makes machine be able to use in rock condition. Being able to use in rock condition. Here is the wired remote controller. We equip the machine with this advanced controller. And here is the water inlet. So you connect the pipe here, and the water will go inside. And here are the motors. And the chain is here. Another advantage is our big net for ventilation. With this big net we will get good and a suitable temperature, even in high temperature area. You will have good ventilation. So this is our machine from this side of view. Let's go to operation the ZL380A HDD machine. Down the boot. Enter the cabinet and turn on the engine. Turn on the semi-auto rod feeder. The optional drill pipe diameter is 73 or 76 mm and the length is 4,500 or 3,000 mm. Hard drilling. Max torque 16,000 Nm. Max swing speed 150 RPM per minute. Drilling angle 10 to 20. push-pull type rack pinion. Next, drill pipe diameter 1200 mm. Next, working distance 500 meters. Down the boom. External wire remote controller. Front rack and pinion. Speed 25240 kilometers per hour. Seal. Seal track fit on any ground addition. My friend, this is our 48x HDD machine. Hope you like this machine. ZL380A HDD machine. You deserve to have it. Thanks.